Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Shumaila.
And we are in Kumrat Valley. This beautiful spring of water is around us and we are enjoying. It's a little river. Oh, yeah, little river. Exactly. No, that's fine. So Shumaila, what's next?
Well, जैसे कि मैंने डिसाइड किया हुआ है कि आज मैं इनसे सारे क्वेश्चन जो है ना आइल्स राइटिंग से रिलेटेड पूछूंगी क्योंकि राइटिंग के बहुत ज़्यादा
Absolutely. And for the last few days or months, we've been ignoring IELTS writing. So
actually we focus on
listening mainly and speaking.
ओके वेल सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है टास्क 2 राइटिंग का जो है एसे राइटिंग उससे रिलेटेड जैसे कि हमें पता है कि 4 टाइप के एसेज हैं
That's right.
इन्हीं में से एक मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है प्रॉब्लम एंड सॉल्यूशन एसे
All right.
ठीक है अब आपने ये बताना है कि प्रॉब्लम एंड सॉल्यूशन एसे में ऐसे को एक्चुअली हमने कैसे लिखना है पहले हमें टॉपिक कैसे समझना है एंड पैराग्राफ्स कैसे
all right, that's very simple. Okay, it's good. So listen, the second most important essays, not second most important, the second essay type in IELTS is problem solution essay. Before that we made a video on advantages, disadvantages essay. You should watch that as well. As far as problem solution essay is concerned, it's very simple. They will give you a problem. Straightforward, they'll give you a problem. That problem can be pollution, overpopulation, or any other problem like that, right? They will give you a problem. Now there are 2 types of problem solution essay. 3 types. I changed my mind. Yeah, there are 3 types of problem solution essay. Yeah, Prabhu. Yeah. Okay. So there are 3 types of problem solution essay and you must identify which type is that. Type 1 is cause and solution. Whenever they give you this type of essay, they will say what are the reasons, what are the causes, and how can we resolve this issue, or what can be the solution. So cause and solution, this is the first type. Second type is problem and solution. Now they will not ask you the causes, they will ask you problem. What are the problems people face in big cities? Or what are the reasons of the problems people face in big city? Both are different, right? So the second type is called cause and solution, right? After this we have this third type that is called cause and effect. What are the reasons and how does it affect, right? For example, what are the reasons of child labor in third world countries and how does it affect the societies there? So cause and effect. Cause and effect actually. One is verb, one is noun, right? So yeah, exactly. So now this is the thing, but then when you write the essay, writing is same, only language will vary. Like for problem solution, you will say first of all the main problem is. First of all, the first cause of the problem is something like that, okay? Now, let's see how to write. First paragraph, in problem solution essay, I usually recommend my students to write 5 paragraphs. 5 paragraphs and that's perfectly fine. And you can write 4 as well. Recommended 5, but 4 even that is better. I'll tell you both, right? Don't worry, this video, you're going to be clear, crystal clear about problem solution essay. Paragraph number 1. That is sentence number 1. First of all, you are going to write a general sentence about the phenomena of the problem, right? Sentence number 2, paraphrase the problem in your own words. The topic is given, you can reword the topic, you can rearrange the ideas, but write a sentence that paraphrases the problem in your own words. Sentence number 3, you have to write your thesis sentence, right? In this essay, I will discuss the reasons behind this problem and how to overcome this issue, right? Reasons and solution. Or in this essay, I will highlight the problems which are faced by people in third world countries and how to solve them. Or in this essay, I will give the reasons behind this phenomena and how it affects the society or how it impacts people. Something like that. So this is how you write first paragraph, right? Now after this first paragraph, when you're going to write body, in body you have 2 choices. Choice number 1, all problems, all causes, all reasons in 1 paragraph. all solutions, all effects in another paragraph.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे आपने कहा कि एक सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आपने एक पैराग्राफ में लिखनी है, तो इसमें हमें नॉर्मल कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करनी चाहिए?
Good idea, good idea. I was coming to that. Wise, good, cheers, thank you. Exactly, yeah, you're great, Shumaila. She's been with me for the last 12 years, okay? So you can understand we've got very good teamwork and all that. Now listen, there are, the first thing is there must be 3 items. If it is cause and solution, 3 causes and 3 solutions. If it is problem and solution, 3 problems and 3 solutions. If it is cause and effect, 3 causes and 3 effects of that, right? So now when you write first body paragraph, choice number 1 cause plus 1 solution, I recommend that. It's very, very fine. And how to write sentences? Sentence number 1, first cause or problem, right? Second sentence, elaborate that cause and problem. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to write the first body paragraph. Well, although you can write all problems in one paragraph, all solutions, but I recommend 1 plus 1. This is called 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 problem plus 1 solution in one body paragraph.
Okay.
Or 1 cause plus 1 solution in one body paragraph, or 1 cause plus 1 effect in one body paragraph, right? Now how to write it? First of all, you will write the first problem or first cause. Sentence number 1. Sentence number 2, you will expand. When I use the word elaborate, you write a problem. Then you expand the problem. What is the problem? You elaborate that problem. Sentence number 2. Sentence number 3, you give a relevant example. If you don't have example, create an example. If you cannot create an example, further elaborate that idea. You can do that also. And fourth sentence is conclusion. Conclusion of the paragraph, right? So conclusion is basically solution. This is very important point. Problem, elaboration of problem, example of problem, solution of problem. These 4 sentences should be written, and let me tell you, at least 2 compound sentences. For example, you may write conditional, and for conclusion you can write even complex sentence. This should be one complex sentence, and I would advise you that write your complex sentence in the first or second one. First or second sentence in body paragraph should be complex one, okay? Now, next paragraph, this one. Again, problem number 2, solution number 2. Same way. Cause number 2, solution number 2. Cause number 2, effect number 2. And the third body paragraph, cause number 3, and the same 4 sentence formula you are going to follow. If you have example in 2 paragraphs, you can give example. In 1 paragraph, you can elaborate the point. Or in 1 paragraph, you give example. In other 2 paragraphs, you can further elaborate your idea. After that, finally, we write conclusion. In conclusion, there should be minimum 3 sentences. And what are these sentences? Sentence number 1, again, paraphrase the problem. But now use different words. Don't copy paste anything in your essay in any part. Sentence number 1, paraphrase the problem. Sentence number 2, give summary of your problems and solutions in one compound or complex sentence.
Okay, only one sentence में
One
पूरी summary
sentence,
दे देनी है.
all 3 problems and solution, all 3 causes and solution, all 3 causes and effect in one sentence, okay? And sentence number 3, give your opinion. Now, what is opinion? It is basically the global solution to the problem. You gave solution number 1, you gave solution number 2, you gave solution number 3. Now, there should be some overall solution. And Shumaila, this overall solution is usually we write the main solution to the problem depends on the governments, it depends on authorities, it depends on people and all that. So this is how you guys can write problem solution essay. I would advise you to read some problem solution essays to follow the pattern. In my videos, I have solved one task and complete essay is there. So you should follow that and that will help you.
Great. और इसके अलावा ये कि अगर असद याकूब के आप चैनल पे जाते हैं तो ज़ाहिरी बात अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो जाना भी चाहिए. तो उसके लिए आप ये कर सकते हैं कि आपने कोई भी वीडियो देखनी है उसमें ना हमने बड़ी अच्छी प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है. प्लेलिस्ट पे जाएं, वहाँ पे बॉक्सेस में हर वीडियो जिस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड है वो सारा कुछ मेंशन होगा और मॉड्यूल से रिलेटेड.
Absolutely. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Shumaila
we
Najam.
both wish you best of luck from this beautiful Kumrat Valley. Take care. Allah Hafiz.